Welcome to Learning Max Whiteboard YouTube channel. So JEE Main 2023 January 25. So January 25 answer key for shift 1. Okay, so first question, the value of A 1 log xy log xz log yx 2 log yz log zx log zy 3. Okay, so we have a matrix which is in the order of 3 cross 3. Then we have to find adjoint of a square. So determinant of adjoint of a square. So that is the question. So we know the value of a. Okay, so the solution. Okay, so just look at here. Then part, determinant of adjoint of a square. Okay, so we know that adjoint of any matrix, we know the formula, that is modulus of a into n minus 1 the whole square. Okay, so here n is the order of the matrix. So here the n is the order of a matrix, that is 3 cross 3 matrix. So that so this is a square. So a square 3 minus 1 the whole square. So modulus determinant of a square whole power 4. So determinant of a power 8. Okay, so the determinant of a power 8. Okay, so now so we know that a, so determinant of a which is equal to 1 log xy log xz log yx 2 log yz log zx log zy 3. Okay, so this is a. Okay, so we are going to find the determinant. Okay, so now look at here 1. So this is determinant. So log x we can write log y divided by log x. So here log xz, similarly log z divided by log x, and 1 can be written as log x divided by log x. Okay, so next the second one. So second one can be written as log x divided by log y. So 2 can be written as 2 into log y divided by log y. So log, the third one, the log z divided by log y. So the last one, log x divided by log z log y divided by log z 3 into log z divided by log z. Okay, so this is a determinant. Okay, so now look at the row, numerator. So log x log x log y log z log x log y log z log x log y log z. Okay, so now look at the denominator of column, log x log y log z log x log y log z log x log y log z. Okay, so we can write this as 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 3. So so you have a confusion here. So in these steps I need to extra one more step here. Okay, so I just take a common part as a log x log y log z divided by column 1 log x log y log z, because we all know matrix multiplication, log x log y log z, and then this step will come because this will cancel each other. So 1 divided by 1, so 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 3. So which is easy to find the determinant value of this matrix. Okay, so just include one more step here. So just C1, this is C1, column 1, 1 1 1. C2 will become, so you have to subtract C2. Okay, C1 C2 represent C2 minus C1, column 2 minus column 1. You will get 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 0. So C3 represent, C3 tends to C3 minus C1. So 0 0, 3 minus 1 2. Okay, so now it is easy to find the determinant of this matrix, because this is 0, this is 0, 1, 1 into 2, 2, 2 minus 0, so 1 into 2, 2. So the determinant of A, which is equal to 2, but we have to find the adjacent of A square, that is equal to determinant of 8, determinant of A power 8, so 2 power 8 is the answer. So we just go for the first step, first initial step. So this is the answer, option D is the answer, 2 power 8. Okay, when you're going to find the adjacent of any matrix, so that is equal to determinant of A power n minus 1 the whole square, determinant of A power n minus 1. When you're going to find the determinant of adjacent of any matrix, that is equal to determinant of A power n minus 1 whole square. So that n is represent the order of the matrix. Okay, the next question. So next question which comes from a function type. Okay, so now consider this. So inverse function, so any inverse we can write x instead of y, you can write x, and instead of y equal to x. So that here you have to start y. So I'm going to take y equal to x, so that I just write x here, and then here y minus 7 divided by 2 whole power 1 by 3. Okay, so just you have to take power cube. Okay, cubing cube. Okay, so we have to take cube, x cube, and this will become cube root will cancel, so y minus 7 divided by 2. So y equal to 2x cube plus 7, because 2 goes to there, so 2 goes to here, so 2x cube plus 7. So this is my y. Okay, so now g of f of x, we need to find g of f of x. So g of f of x, so g of f of x, which is equal to g of, what is f of x, x power b plus 3. Okay, so g of x power b plus 3, which you have to put here, so a x power b plus 3a plus c. Okay, so this is second one, which means so wait, I will write here. So y equal to 2x cube plus 7. Another one, g of f of x, which is equal to a x power b plus 3a plus c. These two are equal. Okay, these two are equal, we know that. Okay, so a, which is equal to, so equating the coefficients, so a equal to 2 and power b equal to 3. So next we have to equating the constant part, 3a plus c equal to 7, which implies a, instead of a we have to give 2, so 6c plus 6 plus c equal to 7, c equal to 1. So c equal to 1, b equal to 3, a equal to 2. Okay, now so we have a function f of x, x power b, b replaced by 3 plus 3, and g of x is another function, that is ax plus c. So a replaced by 2, 2x plus 1. So these two are the functions. So now we have to find, just look at here, now we have to find f composite g of ac and g composite f of b. We have to add that. Okay, so F composite G of AC plus G composite F of B. Okay, so first I am going to find this one. So F composite of AC. So A is 2 and C is 1. So 2 into 1, 2. So F composite G of 2. So G of 2, we have to find G of 2. So we have to give 2 here. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So F of G of 2 will become 5. So F of 5, 5 cube 127. So here we have F of x. So you have to give 5. So 5 cube 125 plus 3 128. So 128 for first one. So next we have to find G composite F. So G composite F of B. So B in the sense that is 3. Okay, so 3. So F of 3. So this is 3. So G composite F of 3. So F of 3 means 3 power 3 27, 27 here. 3 power 3 means 27, 27 plus 3 30. So now we have to give G of x. 2 of 30 plus 1, that is 61. So you need to add these two values, 128, 61. 128 plus 61, 189. So answer 189. Option A is a correct answer. Okay, so we need to move for the third question. So third question is a sequence and series, that type of question, sequence and series. Okay, so summation r equal to 1 to 10 r power cube, r equal to 1 to 10 r power cube, ar divided by ar minus 1 the whole square, where ar is a coefficient of x power 10 minus r in the 1 plus x whole power 10 solution. So 1 plus x whole power 10. So we know that this can be written as 10 CR into x power r. So x power 10 minus r in the sense 10 C 10 minus r into x power 10 minus r. Okay, so we know that it can be NCR divided by NCR minus 1, which is equal to n minus r plus 1 divided by r. So here n is a 10, so 11 minus r divided by r. Okay, so we can replace the summation r equal to 1 to 10 r cube, so ar divided by ar minus 1 the whole square. So this is the question. So summation r equal to 1 to 10 r cube ar. So we know that this is ar divided by ar minus 1. So we have to write, instead of ar we have to write 11 minus r divided by r the whole square. Okay, so now summation r equal to 1 to 10 r cube 11 minus r the whole square divided by r square. So r square r cube will cancel each other, remaining 1 r is there, so I write here. So summation r equal to 1 to 10 r, so 121 plus r square minus 22 r. Okay, so now so we need to multiply this r to each and every term of that 11 minus r whole square. Okay, so summation r equal to 1 to 10 121 r plus r cube minus 22 r square. So now you have to multiply this summation to all the term. Okay, so you will get, so 121 is a common constant, so we have to take outside. So summation r equal to 1 to 10 r plus summation r equal to 1 to 10 r cube minus summation r equal to 1 to 10 r square. Okay, we all know that 121, this can be written as n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So here n is 10 into 11 divided by 2 plus it can be written as n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square, because a cubic. Okay, so 10 into 11 divided by 2 the whole square. minus 22. So this is a square, so that n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So 10 into 11 into 21 divided by 6. Okay, so you just simplifying this, you will get 1210. That is your answer. You have to simplify this. You will get 1210. That is the answer of this question. Okay, so next one, fourth question. So limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus etc. So they also given that the general term. So that is also given that the general term, that is 3n minus 2 plus 3n minus 1 minus 3n. So summation n equal to 1 to infinity. Okay, so minus 3n plus 3n will cancel each other. So summation n equal to 1 to infinity 3n minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So 3 as a common part, so we need to take outside. Summation n equal to 1 to infinity n minus 1. Okay, so 3 summation n equal to 1 to infinity for n minus summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1. So 3 is a common part, so n, we know that n into n plus 1 divided by 2 minus n. Okay, so it can be written as, so 3 into n into n plus 1 divided by 2 minus n. So 3n square plus n by 2 minus n. So this is 3n square minus n divided by 2. So 3 by 2 n square minus n. So this is only for numerator. Okay, numerator value. So this is only for numerator. We have a denominator also. So the denominator is, so I can write limit n tends to infinity. Instead of 1 plus 2 minus 3, we have to write 3 by 2 n square minus n divided by square root of 2 square root 2 n power 4 plus 3n plus 1 minus square root of n power 4 plus n plus 3. Okay, so 3 by 2 as a common side, limit, I mean constant, so just take outside of that limit, n tends to infinity n square minus n divided by, so here we have n power 4, so n power 4 outside, so 2 plus 3 divided by n cube plus 1 by n power 4 minus, same for here also, n power 4 you need to take a common part, so 1 plus 1 by n cube plus 3 by n power 4. Okay, so 3 by 2 limit n tends to infinity n square minus n divided by, so this is n power 4 and this is n power 4, you have to take a common n square, so outside of the root it will become n square. So square root of 2 plus 3 by n cube plus 1 by 4 minus square root of 1 plus 1 by n cube plus 3 by n power 4. Okay, so we know that if you give infinity, so numerator infinity divided by infinity, so we have a rule, so that is 3 by 2, so we have to write coefficient of n square, so coefficient of n square 1, here coefficient of n square root 2, and here coefficient of minus 1. Okay, so minus square root of 1, so square root of 1 always will be 1. So now you need to take a rationalize 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. So you will get 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1, which is rationalized, you know that. So answer is 3 by 2 into root 2 plus 1. So that is in the option A. Okay viewers, thank you for watching this video.